Okay, completing the square is another concept we need in senior maths in grade 10, 11, and 12. So we have to understand the basic ideas of completing the square. So to complete the square, completing square means changing from standard form to vertex form. So to complete the square means changing from Okay, so if I have y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, which is a standard form, I'm changing this one to y equal to ax minus h squared plus k, which is a vertex form. It's called vertex form because the vertex is hk. So when we are in standard form, we can find only the y-intercept, which is c. If it is in vertex form, we can find the vertex, which is hk. So let's see first what are perfect trinomials. Perfect trinomials. Let's try to factor y equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. The product is 9. The sum is 6. So it means that the two numbers are 3 and 3. X plus 3 and x plus 3, which is x plus 3 squared. From this one, I can see that 6, half of 6 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. So half of 6 is 3, 3 squared is 9. Therefore, this number is always the square of half of this, and this is called perfect trinomial. If I had y equal to x squared plus 8x, to make it a perfect trinomial, I would say half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16. This is a perfect trinomial, which means this is equal to x plus 4 squared. So in order to complete the square, complete the square means change it to vertex form, which we will use the perfect square concept. So let's say y equal to x squared plus 8x plus 1. So what we say is, first of all, my condition for completing the square is the coefficient of x squared must be 1. Coefficient x squared must be positive 1. So in this case, I say x squared plus 8x. Half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So I cannot just add a number to an expression, because if it's an expression, I'm changing it. So in order to add 0, 0 will not change it. I have to say 16 minus 16. That means I'm adding 0 to the expression. If I add 0, I'm not changing the expression. So it will be plus 1. So in this case, now x squared plus 8x plus 16. The first three terms with a positive number, they become exactly the same as this, which means it's x plus half of 8 is 4, 4 squared. If I factor the first three terms with a positive, I will get x plus 4, which is x plus 4 squared. What's left over? Left over is minus 16 plus 1, which is minus 15. So vertex form helps me to find the vertex. So the vertex in this case would be whatever makes the bracket 0, which is negative 4, negative 15. Okay, x squared minus 10x minus 3. Y equal to this. So x squared coefficient is positive 1, so no problem. X squared 10x. I have to add some number to make it perfect square. Half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. I cannot just add 25. I must add 0. To make it 0, I have to do 25 minus 25. Minus 3. This will be equal to the first three terms. X minus half of 10 is 5 squared. Minus 25 minus 3 is minus 28. Therefore, the vertex is whatever makes the bracket 0, which is 5 minus 28. C. Okay, let's see y equal to minus x squared minus 16x plus 3. The coefficient of x squared is not positive 1. Therefore, in order to make it positive 1, I have to take this negative 1 outside from the two terms only from these terms. Only the terms with the x, not with the number. So negative bracket x squared, negative times what gives me negative? Positive 16x plus 3. Now I'm just making this one ready for completing the square. So the minus will be here outside. I just copy x squared plus 16x. Half of 16 is 8. 8 squared is 64. 64 minus 64. I always add and subtract. Plus 3. Minus the first three terms with a positive r. X plus half of 16 is 8. Now, I cannot take minus 64 here because this is inside a prison here, inside a bracket. So I must multiply this by the negative from outside. Negative times negative 64 is positive 64 plus 3 equal to negative x plus 8 square plus 67. The parabola opens down and the vertex is negative 8, 67. D. Y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. The coefficient of x squared is not positive 1. Therefore, I have to take the 2 out of the x's. X squared, negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4x plus 5 equals 2. This is ready to complete the square. X squared minus 4x. Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 4 plus 5 equals 2. The first three terms, x minus 2. Half of 4 is 2 squared. So the 1 minus 4, I have to multiply it by 2 because I have to take it out of the brackets. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 2x minus 2 squared minus 3. Therefore, the vertex is 2, negative 3. Okay, let's see the last question. E. Y equals negative 3x squared plus 18x minus 1. So coefficient of x squared is not positive 1. Therefore, to make it positive 1, I take the negative 3 out, and this must be positive 1x squared. Positive 1x squared. Remember, our condition is coefficient of x squared must be positive 1. 18 divided by negative 3 is negative 6x minus 1. So negative 3 x squared minus 6x. Half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9 minus 9 minus 1. Negative 3 x. Half of 6 is 3. So we took care of the first 3. So negative 9 to be taken out of the bracket must be multiplied by negative 3 plus 27 minus 1. Negative 3 x minus 3 squared plus 26, and the vertex is 3, 26.